Mullen Automotive, Mullen MULN stock at 11 cents at the time of this video. Again, no crazy price action or no crazy price action whatsoever here happening with Mullen. It is a very heavily traded stock. Once again, we're looking at Mullen specifically on FinViz, and it is the third most traded stock on the market today. We're looking at, let me just update this, 165 million trades of Mullen stock. So probably by the end of the day, it should reach right about its average trading volume, in my opinion. Here, a lot of news to kind of go over here with Mullen. Again, I don't currently have a position in Mullen, and I'm not recommending anyone get a position in Mullen. I'm just relaying this information, giving my thoughts and opinions on it, as I was a previous shareholder of Mullen Automotive, not anymore. But yeah, let's get into it. Obviously, Mullen is a pretty heavily talked about stock over the last, I would say, 6 months or so. Really, just been super talked about. But let's get into it. So again, been a little while since I made a video here on Mullen. So it was announced Tuesday that Mullen announced a 1-for-9 reverse split, which was kind of expected, right? Today announces Mullen 1-for-9 reverse split. The company intends to begin repurchasing up to 25 million $25 million in shares through a stock buyback program after filing its 10Q upon expiration of its blackout period. David McCurry is quoted as saying, "We believe the company is highly undervalued and the stock buyback program represents a compelling use of our capital, reflecting confidence in our business." All right. Obviously, the NASDAQ compliance maintain a minimum bid price of $1 per share for a period of excess 10 consecutive business days, but generally no more than 20 consecutive business days before determining that the company has demonstrated an ability to maintain a long-term compliance. So we kind of expected this, obviously, from the shareholder meeting. There was just like a lack of clarity of what the exact vote was, or if or not that proposal 3 had passed, but again, it's been official now. They announced the 1-for-9 reverse split. I think originally it was like a 1-for-10. So 1-for-9 reverse split. Let me know in the comments below if you're a Mullen holder and really how you feel about this news, because it is very interesting news. And I think it could be, I mean, for most people, I think it's bearish news, right? If you're holding Mullen, it doesn't necessarily help increase the value of your holdings, but nonetheless, it is happening. So kind of got to live with it and kind of redetermine at this current time whether holders want to continue to be holders of this stock. Some good news, or I guess on the better news side, the class 3 vehicle production has started. You can see here, I guess these are actual pictures. I know there was some rumors and things like that they were using AI images or Google images, but Mullen's Tunica, Mississippi assembly plant on August 9th. You can see here an emerging EV company announces start of vehicle production in Mississippi assembly plant, the Mullen 3 class EV truck, with customer deliveries on track to begin in August and September. Mullen will gradually ramp up production rate over the course of September through December. Once fully ramped up, class 3 production capacity at the Tunica facility is currently planned for 3,000 class 3 vehicles per year. To date, the company received $79 million in purchase orders of 1,200 Mullen 3 class EV trucks from Randy Marion Automotive Group and MGT Lease Company. So some good news here, in my opinion, for the Mullen 3 to be in production. It is a starting MSRP price of $68,000, which should qualify for that $7,500 federal tax incentives for EV vehicles. So again, yeah, very interesting news there. And then finally, I wanted to share this as well. This is something that I think Mullen needed to kind of put out. This is a video showcasing their new commercial Pulse advanced telematics systems for the electric vehicle fleet optimization. I'm just going to play this probably without sound. I don't want to get copyrighted. But you can see here, I mean, right, this is a pretty well done professional video, in my opinion, you guys, right? The all-encompassing app, which I think is definitely a bullish catalyst for Mullen moving forward, as far as just like the catalyst for the company itself. Right, the app being able to track your vehicles, track your fleets, right, for companies that are using the Mullen vehicles for like the fleets for their business. I think this is a very well done video. I don't know, if coming from Mullen, we could have kind of expected a not so great video, but I definitely think this video here is very well done. So at this current time, I mean, 11 cents here, reverse split is going to be coming. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about all this news. I'm going to continue with these Mullen videos. Drop a like, hit that subscribe. You guys have a great day.